World-class events require flawless logistics. From perishables to high-tech and luxury items, Airlink ensures every detail is handled with precision. Exhibition logistics demands precision and timing, ensuring smooth customs clearance, expert handling of fragile goods, and timely last-mile deliveries, all backed by real-time tracking and swift problem-solving. Our success comes from our dedicated team, strategists, coordinators, warehouse experts, and drivers, working seamlessly to deliver exceptional exhibition logistics. As the exhibitions open their doors, everything falls into place. Behind the scenes, Airlink remains the unseen force making it all happen. At Airlink, we don't just move cargo, we move possibilities.